We had a large-scale problem to solve. The Vice ecosystem had become very large in terms of the number of brands that we supported, which was over a dozen, and the number of countries and languages. I think we're in 35 countries and 18 different languages. So it was this huge breadth, and we had basically cloned all these different code bases and changed them up a little bit and changed the design. So everything was slightly different.
The prospect of, hey, we're Vice, we want to add a new vertical, could have meant reinventing the wheel every time. So the idea of like, we'd like to add a whole new vertical with all new types of content. Oh, and by the way, we'd like to have ad targeting options and all these like locale options. That would have meant building the entire stack just for that one vertical.
We have sites in 35 different countries, in languages that read from left to right, in languages that have characters. And so we wanted to make sure that this experience worked well for everyone.
If we were going to scale either our video offerings on the web or our advertising opportunities on the web, it was just not possible to like say, let's add a video, control where it's going to be displayed, put ads in the video, or take an article and control its ad targeting, do that all in multiple CMSs in multiple parts of the world without unifying everything into a single platform. This tied very closely to the Amazon S3 system, which actually allowed us to connect our build system with a really simple way to programmatically push new changes to assets. For us to actually just deploy something and flip a switch went from being an ordeal where there was a lot of manual work involved on their terminal, SSHing into boxes, where now that process became a very simple, just push to a special Git branch, a protected Git branch, let the Travis CI system just take over, and suddenly within minutes you had the code everywhere in one, at once.
There is better in terms of measurable things, in terms of the speed at which we can design and evolve and ship things, which is so different than before, where we would spend months on a site. Now, if we wanted to build a new site, we could roll it out in a matter of weeks and know that it's going to get all the same features that every other site is going to get at the same rapid clip. So I think that is better.